Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Fidelity Investment app. To use the Fidelity Investment app that allows you to manage and track your investment, including checking account balance, setting up recurring investment and making trades. You could also research investment, create watch list, and access various financial tools within the app as well. Now here, what you could do is you could view account valuation, tracking asset allocations, and manage as well. What you could also do is, first thing, if you want to create an account, you want to go to the fidelityinvestment.com, open an account. For that, you want to select what sort of account that you want to go with. You could go ahead and select either one of these account or the type of account that you want to go with. And after which, you could go and view account valuation, tracking asset allocations, and managing your investment as well. And as talking about the tracking, you could buy, sell, and switch the investment with ease, including stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. You could also use the app to research investment, create watch list, and access financial as well. Now then, you could go ahead and read the terms and conditions, all that, and with that being said, you'll have successfully created your account, as well as this is the simplest way to use Fidelity Investment app. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.